When you take photos of your work for marketing purposes, keep this in mind. The more information you provide for shoppers, the better. Using different types of photographs can help you do this. Let's take a closer look. You must have a great photo of each piece you have for sale. That's a basic. We'll call this a product shot. Notice here that the background is neutral and that this bracelet is clear and in focus. Lighting is very important to show your work to its best advantage. But this isn't the only type of photo you will need. Have you ever shopped online and noticed the number of photos shown of each item for sale? If you were shopping for shoes, you might see images of the top of the shoes, the side of the shoes, the stitching on the shoes, and so forth. Each image helps your customer get a better idea of that product. They are virtually trying on those shoes. This dramatically increases their comfort level with the purchase. As an artist, you must also give as much information visually as you can to enhance the customer's shopping experience. Share the details with close-up shots. Whether you are showing the edge of a carved bowl, the pattern in hand-painted fabric, or the textural surface of a pot, this visual information matters to the shopper. Help them imagine owning what you make by sharing these details. You should also consider showing a photo of your products in use. Perhaps you will show a necklace on a model to give an idea of how it will look when it's worn. Or use a photo of a utensil like this handmade pie server by Jonathan Spoons. This type of photo is excellent for marketing and can close the sale. Couldn't you imagine this photo in an advertisement as well? Another helpful way to share images of what you make is using an in situ photo. This type of photo shows the work in the environment where it belongs, such as a painting hanging on a wall. What is the scale of your artwork in the room, and what kind of impact does it make? In this photo, artist Paula Ogier shows not only one, but two pieces of her art hanging together. What is the message from this in situ shot? Well, that the set is so wonderful, you ought to buy both. Make a list of the types of photos you need of your own collection. Then, when you schedule your photo shoot, you'll be sure to have every type of image you need for your own shoppers.